Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the network and internet section, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch it here. You can also change its name here. You can change its security protocol. You can change its password. You can set it to turn off automatically if no one is connected, and you can also change its AP band. And you can also switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.